Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review on a deep conditioner from NaturAll Club. I'm going to be showing you guys this new collection that they just came out with, and it is called the ice cream collection. They were kind enough to send me 3 of their different flavors from their ice cream collection, and I'm going to be sharing that with you guys today. So if you guys are interested in that, continue watching. NaturAll Club is pretty much a black owned and employed company, and they create products for natural to kinky hair. Another thing about this company is that all of their products are handmade and are non-toxic, which is really what I love about it, because everything, like I told you guys, is freshly handmade. Just like this ice cream treatment collection, the products are so natural that you have to refrigerate them. So you have to stick it in the freezer so that it stays fresh when you apply it into your hair. First things first, NaturAll Club was kind enough to send me 3 different flavors from their ice cream treatment collection. So here are the 3 different flavors. So they actually sent me the Acai and Flaxseed deep conditioner, and this is freshly made from avocado-based formula, improves moisture, frizz, curl definition, and elongation. And the second one that they sent me was the avocado and lavender deep conditioner. It hydrates, nourishes, detangles. This freshly made original based formula transforms dry strands into soft, moisturized, and detangled hair with lasting shine. And the last one that they sent me was the wheat protein and argan oil deep conditioner, and this strengthens, restores, and smooths. This is also made of freshly avocado based formula, penetrates damaged hair to improve elasticity, repair the cuticles, and reduce breakage, frizz, and split ends. For today's video, I'm going to be trying out the avocado and lavender deep conditioner. This one I feel like suits me better for soft, moisturized, detangled hair and lasting shine. If you guys are interested in trying out any of their products, I will leave it all in the description box below. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my full review on the product. Like I said, I'm going to be trying out the ice cream treatment here, and yeah, let's go ahead and get on to the treatment. I'm back and I have to give you guys my full honest review. I have to say, after trying out the avocado and lavender deep conditioner from NaturAll Club, I have to say this, guys, this is very, very, very nourishing, moisturizing, pretty much everything that it says it does. And this contains tea tree oil in it, which is actually really beneficial for your hair. So I really love that the smell isn't overpowering. It actually smells really nice with the lavender and tea tree. It balances really well. And I just love the feeling overall in my hair as well as the smell. My hair feels really, really amazing. And like I told you guys, I had to thaw the treatment right before I took a shower. So it took about 30 minutes for it to thaw really nicely. And then I went ahead and applied it into my hair. Like I showed you guys in the video, it is thick and creamy, which is really good because it's very moisturizing. And this particular one that I was using, it's supposed to soften dry strands, moisturize it, and detangle it with long-lasting shine, which I feel like it really did do that with my hair. I really love how my hair turned out. It's very soft, manageable. I was able to detangle my hair while I was in the shower. I didn't have a hard time at all. And I just really love how their formula works. You get it in the mail and you have 2 weeks to put it in the freezer because it's all made of fresh ingredients, which is what I really love. And like I told you guys, this formula does not have any toxic chemicals in it. It's all handmade, and I just really love that because they actually take really good care of their products, and when they're making it, it's by hand. And I just love that about their products. They're really serious about their ingredients and making sure that their customers are actually, you know, getting what they're paying for. And don't think that you have to have curly hair in order to use these products from NaturAll Club. You can use it if you have straight hair, wavy hair, any type of hair texture. Yeah, overall, I feel like the formula that I use, I really love it, and I love how it doesn't have any harsh chemicals, and I love that it is a black owned and employed company. This ice cream treatment is all natural, and you have to refrigerate them, store them in the freezer when it's ready for use. I just really love that part of it because I've never seen a deep conditioner where you have to stick it in the freezer, and I just love that their collection is called the ice cream treatment collection. So that's pretty much it on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really love how my hair turned out. If you guys are interested in trying out their ice cream collection, you can check it down below. Make sure you use my code. My code saves you money at checkout. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you hadn't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye guys.